In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to check your Lidl gift card expiration date. Let's get started. First, look at the front or back of your Lidl gift card. Depending on your country, the expiration date or validity period may be printed directly on the card or its packaging. If you don't see an expiration date, visit the official Lidl gift card balance checker for your country. Enter your gift card number and PIN if required. To view your remaining balance and where available the card's validity or expiration date, you can also visit any participating Lidl store, ask a cashier to check your gift card. They can scan the card and tell you the remaining balance and whether the card is still valid. Another option is to check your most recent purchase receipt if you have used the gift card before. In some regions, the receipt may display the remaining balance and the card's expiration or validity information. Keep in mind that gift card terms and expiration dates can vary by country, so it's always a good idea to review the terms and conditions for the Lidl gift card issued in your region. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.